Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Pestle mobile app is, how it helps you manage recipes, and whether it can improve your cooking experience on Apple devices. Pestle is a recipe manager app available on iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and Apple Vision Pro. It allows users to import recipes from any website or PDF, organize them automatically with smart folders and tags, and plan meals for up to 14 days. The app features a guided cooking mode with step-by-step instructions, timers, and ingredient highlights. Voice control lets you navigate recipes hands-free, keeping your hands clean while cooking. The app syncs recipes across all Apple devices via iCloud, ensuring your collection is always up to date. Pestle offers a free version with essential features and a pro subscription for $2.99 monthly, $24.99 annually, or a lifetime license at $39.99, unlocking advanced tools. Users appreciate Pestle's clean interface, smart organization, and seamless integration with iOS features like Dynamic Island and Live Activities. However, there are some downsides to consider. Pestle is only available on Apple devices, which excludes Android users. Some users find the subscription price a bit steep compared to other recipe apps. Additionally, a few users have reported occasional syncing issues that can disrupt access to recipes across devices. Finally, while the app offers many features, some advanced functions are locked behind the subscription, limiting the free version's capabilities. Pestle is a solid choice for Apple users wanting a versatile and intuitive recipe manager that supports hands-free cooking and meal planning. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.